This is the railroad bridge I'm talking about that I went over on the Amtrak Zipper like half a dozen times, I should say. Yeah. Got a lot of pictures of me going across this bridge, talking about it too. You know, one of these days, I'm gonna be kayaking down that river. I'm gonna take a picture of me going under it. Damned if I'm not. Starting to be happy that I'm starting to build up a body of work because I lost so much back there in Akron, Iowa. Irreplaceable, but I've got like 2 hours of me on this river kayaking on it. So here we go, you know. So I'm starting to recuperate a little bit spiritually and psychologically from that hit. Yeah, half a dozen times I filmed myself going over this bridge on the way to Chicago to make money from California, or coming back from Chicago to California. And every time I'd film myself going over this river going, yeah, one of these days. Well, this is the day. Fuck yeah.